Welcome students. Today we are going to study the chapter 2, that is components of food, and we will study the part 2. In part 1 we have studied the food varieties and the major nutrients that is present in the food. So before that I would like to tell that eTuition is an online digital platform which is providing quality education. So students, subscribe to our channel, and also you can download the app from the Play Store to enjoy the benefits of the education. So we will study the important points, that is functions of nutrients and balanced diet. So here I have taken an example of various food materials which constitute of broccoli, tomato, some green leafy vegetables, here some spices. So every food material contains some unique nutrients which add a fuel to our body, because food is also considered a fuel in our body. Likewise, in a motor vehicle, the petrol acts as a fuel which helps the motor vehicle to go ahead a great distance. Likewise, food is also a fuel which provides us energy to work in a day. So now we will study all the functions of nutrients one by one. So first, nutrients में आ जाता है carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the fibers, starch and sugars that are essential food nutrients that your body turns into glucose to give you the energy to function. So carbohydrates का जो मेन फंक्शन होता है कि ये क्या करता है ना, फूड को ब्रेक डाउन करेगा. फूड को ब्रेक डाउन करके इसने क्या किया ना, ग्लूकोज को पूरा कम्प्लेक्स सब्सटेंस को सिंपल सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट किया, एंड वहाँ से जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स को अब्सॉर्ब करके हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है. सो वी कैन टेक हियर एन एग्जाम्पल, लाइक सपोज ए चाइल्ड ऑफ क्लास 6 to 7 एंड अ फार्मर. सो इन दिनों में से ज़्यादा वर्कलोड होता है फार्मर का, बिकॉज मतलब डे टाइम पूरा वहाँ पर एग्रीकल्चर में बिजी रहता है एज कम्पेयर टू द चाइल्ड. सो इन दिस केस जो ज़्यादा वर्क करता है उसको ज़्यादा कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स चाहिए, क्योंकि उसको ज़्यादा एनर्जी ज़रूरत होता है. सो यू माइट हैव ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व दैट इन विलेजेस द फार्मर्स, नॉर्मली द फार्मर्स टेक a huge intake of rice, because rice is a rich source of the carbohydrates. So carbohydrates का मेन फंक्शन वही रहता है कि ये हमारे बॉडी में एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है टू वर्क ऑल डे लॉन्ग. नाउ the rich sources of the carbohydrates. So it constitutes of rice, some grains, then bread, then some wheat materials. So all these are rich sources of carbohydrates which add a perfect diet to our body. Now we will study about the fats. The body uses fat as a fuel source, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. It helps body organs to grow and protect them from injury and prevents loss of heat from the body surface. So fats जो होता है, it acts as a fuel source in our body, and it does the same what does the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates भी एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है, फैट्स भी एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है, बट एज कम्पेयर टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स फैट्स गिव डबल द एनर्जी ऑफ ए कार्बोहाइड्रेट. सो यहाँ पर कोई कंफ्यूज आएगी कि अच्छा हम कार्बोहाइड्रेट टोटली नहीं लेंगे, हम फैट्स का बहुत सारा अमाउंट ले लेंगे क्योंकि हमको डबल एनर्जी मिल रहा है. बट कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड फैट्स में कंपेयर किया जाए तो फैट्स ज़्यादा ही हार्मफुल भी होता है बॉडी के लिए, बिकॉज इट लीड्स टू अ डिजीज कॉल्ड ओबेसिटी. सो वी मस्ट लिमिट द न्यूट्रिएंट टू अ परफेक्ट लेवल ताकि उसका बेनिफिट मिल सके और कोई हार्मफुल ना हो. And also it helps the body organ to grow and protect them from injury and prevents loss of heat from the body surface. It also helps to prevent the loss of heat. Fat absorb the heat and prevent cool to our body surface. So fat has a major function, that is it provides energy as like the carbohydrates. Rich sources of the fats. So here the fats consist of butter, peanuts, oil, meat, dry fruits, ghee. So these are all the rich sources of the fats which must be taken in correct amount. Now here we will now study about proteins. Before that, I would like to mention that since carbohydrates and fats provide energy, they are collectively called energy giving food because they provide a surplus amount of energy to do the work in all day long. Now proteins. Proteins provide many of the structural element of a cell and they help to bind the cell together into tissues. सो प्रोटीन्स क्या करता है ना, बॉडी में सेल्स को बिल्ड करने के लिए हेल्प करता है. एज अ रिजल्ट जब सेल्स बिल्ड होते हैं तो टिश्यूज भी बिल्ड होंगे, टिश्यूज बिल्ड होंगे एंड आवर ऑर्गन्स विल बिल्ड अप एंड ऑर्गन्स विल बिल्ड अप एंड वी विल बिकम मस्क्यूलर इन नेचर. सो प्रोटीन्स को इसलिए बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड भी कहा जाता है बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स इन बिल्डिंग द बॉडी मसल्स एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द बॉडी. Also, proteins is a major diet which helps in repairing the tissues of our body. Suppose कहाँ पर इंजरी हो गए, so it will help to recover that injury within a couple of days. So proteins is a major diet helping for the body muscles to grow well and also as a bandage to the injuries. Now, sources of proteins. Sources of proteins measurably collect the pulses, cereals, some dry fruits and some grains, butter. These are the rich sources of the proteins which must be also taken in our food. Suppose अब हम एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे एक चाइल्ड का ही एंड एक ग्रैंडफादर. सो प्रोटीन्स का हमने कहा कि ये बॉडी बिल्डिंग फूड है एंड ऑल्सो ग्रोथ के लिए हेल्प करता है. सो हियर द चाइल्ड मस्ट टेक द करेक्ट अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड मोर अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोटीन इन ऑर्डर टू have a good growth in the body as compared to grandfather because grandfather has already reached his growth. Child needs to increase its height, their body parts, so they need a correct intake of proteins in their diet. Now vitamins. Vitamins का होता है ना क्या ना, vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth and gums healthy. Our body needs all type of vitamin in small amount. So vitamins क्या करता है ना, जो भी disease होते हैं ये हमें disease से protect करता है and also इसके अंदर बहुत सारे vitamins के types है जो कि different vitamin type provide different functions to our body and all these vitamins are collectively needed in small amounts in the body. So first the vitamin A, B complex, C, D, E and K. So vitamin A, D, E and K, these are called fat soluble vitamin. Now what is fat soluble vitamin? Those are soluble in fats. So आप इसको एक एक्रोनिम दे सकते हो ADEK. A for vitamin A, then D for vitamin D, then E for vitamin E and rest the vitamin K. On the other hand, there is vitamin C and vitamin B complex which are the water soluble vitamins which is soluble easily in water. So यहाँ पर जितने सारे विटामिन्स पढ़े इन सभी का फंक्शंस यहीं पर आ जाता है कि कोई आईज को बिल्ड करने के लिए हेल्प करता है, कोई बोन्स एंड टीथ को ठीक करने के लिए हेल्प करता है, कोई गम्स को हेल्दी रखने के लिए ठीक करता है. So correct sources must be taken in order to protect our body from any kind of diseases. So vitamin and minerals share a common function, that is they help in protecting against the diseases and they are called protective food. Being protective in nature, they are called protective food. So carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food, proteins is called body building food and vitamins and minerals are called protective food. So here the rich sources of vitamins commonly सारे मतलब fruits आ जाएंगे, कुछ vegetables आ जाएंगे, green leafy vegetables. Most commonly यहाँ पर citrus fruits आ जाते हैं. So these are the sources of the vitamins. Now minerals. Minerals are needed by our body in small amount. Likewise, vitamins जैसे small amount में but provide a great diet to our body and help in protecting from the diseases Likewise, minerals play a key role in the maintenance of osmotic pressure and thus regulate the exchange of water and solute within the animal body. They maintain a body balance between the body and help for the exchange of water and other material within the body. So minerals वैसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है डिजीज से, ऑल्सो एक बॉडी बैलेंस मेंटेन करके रखता है. And rich sources of minerals are all common as that of the vitamins, that is the green leafy vegetables, कुछ dietary supplements of proteins also, milk. So these are the sources of minerals. So यहाँ पर हमने overally पढ़ा 5 types of the nutrients and their major functions. If there lies a question that enlists some major nutrients, then the answer will include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 major nutrients. Additionally, roughage and water are a common diet that must be included, but these are not considered as nutrients. These do not provide any kind of nutrient to our body, but they play a major different role. So now, studying the functions, you might have known that for what kind of work you need which type of energy and which type of nutrient. So now we will move on to dietary fibers. Beside the nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our food. So this must be noted that roughage do not provide any nutrient to our food, but is an essential component of our food. Because why they are essential component? Because they help our body to get rid of the undigested food. मतलब बॉडी में जो फूड जा रहा है complex substances में है, इसको डाइजेशन किया गया स्टमक में, and then that the need is to remove the undigested food. So जो undigested food है वो यही dietary fibers remove करने में help करेगा. So dietary fibers, though that is not a nutrient, but has a major role in removing the undigested food, or you can say it helps for the bowel movement in the body. Now the sources, that is whole grains, pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits, vegetables, these are the main sources of roughage. You can also add some others so that your body will be healthy and you will lead a healthy lifestyle. Now, water. Water helps our body to absorb the nutrients from the food. It also helps in throwing out some wastes from the body as urine and sweat. So these are the common functions of the water. वाटर क्या करता है? न्यूट्रिएंट्स, जितने हमने 5 न्यूट्रिएंट्स पढ़े, ये क्या करेगा ना, न्यूट्रिएंट्स को अब्जॉर्ब करने के लिए हेल्प करेगा. एंड ऑल्सो न्यूट्रिएंट्स अब्जॉर्ब करने के बाद जितने सारे वेस्ट प्रोड्यूस होंगे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन एंड स्वेट, इट विल रिमूव आउट. सो इट इज ऑलवेज एडवाइज टू टेक करेक्ट इनटेक ऑफ वाटर सो एज टू रिमूव द हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस फ्रॉम द बॉडी. Normally we get most of the water that our body need from the liquid, that is water, milk and tea. जितना liquid substances है, कुछ fruits से भी liquid निकलता है, जैसे tomato, vegetables में, then some that is watermelon. So ये सभी fruits या vegetables भी intake कर सकते हैं, जिससे हमको good amount of water मिल सके. Now, balanced diet. So after reading all the nutrients and their functions and what is the actual need, at what time which nutrient must be focused more, now it becomes very important to study about balanced diet. Diet means a good amount of food and balance means everything is properly taken, ना थोड़ा कम ना ज़्यादा, correct amount पे होना चाहिए. So a diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing adequate amount of the nutrient necessary for good health. So यहाँ पर बैलेंस डाइट में रफेज और वाटर भी इक्वल अमाउंट में ही ऐड होंगे. ये करेक्ट अमाउंट पे होना चाहिए, गुड प्रपोर्शन में होना चाहिए. So this was all about the chapter. We have studied today the functions of the nutrients, that is carbohydrates providing energy to our body, fats providing double the energy of the body than the carbohydrates, but must not be taken more, otherwise it may lead to a disease called obesity. Then proteins, bodybuilding food, helps for the growth, Then vitamins and minerals, collectively called protective food, because they help in protecting from the disease. And the balanced diet, that includes the correct amount of the food in proper intervals. So this was all about the part 2. Next, in part 3, we will study some major cooking practices and what are the deficiency diseases. Hope you like the class. Thank you.